The topic of tonight's video is how to fix Alight Motion exporting errors. Now, I've got news, but it's not news that you're going to particularly like. So Alight does everything locally, unlike something like a CapCut that would do everything via a server. Therefore, if your phone is not up to the task, don't try to export 1080p 30fps videos. Especially since Alight with all of its ads is not very well optimized, but here is some things you can do to get around this. So since we know the error is being caused because of our hardware, or it's likely, could be something else, what we want to do is when exporting, we want to lower the quality of our exported footage, especially if it has a lot of effects on. So we can just click on this button here and just lower it automatically, or we can actually click on the option that says video and we can change our audio codecs. We can reduce our frame rate, which I would not recommend at all, and of course we can change the quality. Mine's already on low, as well as export resolution, and then export, and you should be fine. However, it could also just be a case of not having much RAM, because keep in mind, even if your phone is 4 gigs like mine, if we move to the home page and we click on the 3 lines and we click on about, you will see that the RAM I have available is only a gig. So go and close all those background apps, maybe even do a restart of your phone and then immediately go to exporting. That way you know you have as much RAM available as possible. Unfortunately, as I said, the news was not going to be great, but I hope it does help you and maybe you are now able to export your video. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.